Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm channel, we are going to create an algorithm that will calculate how many vowels letters we have in a word or in a text. So as you see that this is A, E, I, O, U. This is vowels in English language. And also Y also is considered as a vowel when there is no other vowel in the word. For example, we can give example. For example, sky. Do we have any vowels from in this sky? From A, E? No. But we have U, Y. So that means sky is also that Y is also considered vowel. First, first I want to create without Y. Then we'll create another algorithm for this one as well. Now let's first write a text. I write string and I write text, and then I write my text. What I can write, I say let's look at the sky. Normally, if we don't consider Y, how many vowels we have here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be 6, right? Now, what we are going to do when we compare our letters, it might be capital or small, we want to convert all letters to the small. So how we do that? I will explain why I did. Text, I said to lower. It converts to the lowercase all. For example, here we have a capital A. It will convert to the lower. The reason we do that, for example, when we put our if statement, we'll say if, for example, that letter is equal capital A, that letter is equal lower A. We don't want to write a lot of if statements. So here I just convert to the lower. I just want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower letters. I don't want to write capital as well because it will take a lot of codes here. So now I will just create my for loop, and I will say my maximum length, it will be lesser than the text length. So here I will put my statement, and I will say if text I equal, here I will write it equal, for example, A, small a, or let me copy this one here. If equal to E, and I will say or if equal to I, if equal to O, and if equal or U. If this condition is right, we have to say this is our this is vowel. So I just want to declare another variable called counter, because I will count it how many we have it. I set it to 0, and here I increase my counter one by one. This is that much simple, and in the end I will write console write line, and I will say there are counter vowels in the text. I will write something like this. Let's first run it, how it is functioning. Here it says we have 6. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is functioning properly. But here we have a problem. The problem is that we say it is Y letter when it is inside the words, and when where are no other vowels such as A, E, I, O, U, then it is also considered the vowel. So how we are going to fix this one here? Here I will do like this. I will just let me see what I can do here. I will come here and I will say, not here maybe, we have to maybe create another for loop here, or split. Let's first create a split. I want to make it array each words, and yeah, since it is lower, I will say var or text equal text split. So I split according to the space. Maybe we'll create a different one. Var, let's say split. I do like this. So this is, for example, here I split like, let me show you. Let's run it. We close this one first. Here, as you see that, we have how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's split into the 5. As you see that, word by word. Ahmed, look at the sky. Now what I want to do that, I want to create another for loop inside this one, and each, for example, each words I will check for this statement. If we have I or E or I or A, sorry, O or U, then this is vowels. We'll just increase our counter. So what I'm going to do here, that first I just want to make sure is split length. So because since we split it and our split length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our this if this I it 5 times it will function. So inside this one I am going to create another for loop. I will say for, and then for loop I will do like this. I will say split I and length. So what does it does? This one, for example, if we have Ahmed, when it's split, the first one is 0, yeah? Ahmed, how many, the length, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it 5 times this J loop, it will function. But here still we have a problem. For example, if let's say this I is Ahmed. So if I want to access the first letter, I have to write J. And this should be split. So let's do for others. I will explain. So what is this one? For example, let's write here, we say split if it is I. For example, our I is 0, yeah? If it is 0, because we split it, is Ahmed. So here we have a Ahmed, 5 letters, Ahmed. If I want to access A, capital A, I have to write here 0. If I want to access capital in so lowercase h, I have to write 1. So instead we have, since it will start from 0, I have to write j. It is like this. So now we check it if we have inside, for example, Ahmed A, and since all of them it will be lower because here we convert to the lower, it will increase our counter. But there is still, for y, what we can do here. After this statement, I come here, I write like this. I say if split I, it means Ahmed, all this Ahmed, if it if equal if contains capital Y or smaller u, because we want to check for the sky. For example, we have sky or not, because since we make it lower, we don't need to write capital. For example, sky. We just check here, Ahmed, we don't have Y, look, not, and we came the sky, the last one. If our sky, any letters contains Y, and because we say if yeah is also considered as a vowel, but when there is other no vowels words, and we'll say and we'll put another condition here, and split again our sky. Here we'll say not contains these letters. Which letters? I, E, so A, E, I, O, and U. If our sky contains Y, and if our sky doesn't contains this vowels letters is A, E, I, O, U, then this Y is also considered as a vowel. Then I will increase a count. Let's in our case we say how many vowels now according to exactly this regulation, this law, how many vowels we will have it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 7. Let's run it. As you see, that is 7. And I can add more, and I say try, because try is also, until here we have 7, yeah, 9, 10, sorry, 7, 8, 9, we should have 9 now. As you see, that is 9 vowels. This is like this because it's not very a professional algorithm that I created, but according to this Y, and I did such a things. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe my channel if you like, and see you next video.